Can you really easily earn $5 PayPal cash just for answering short questions on Answeree, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about how fast you can earn by just commenting on blogs or questions and answering short questions on Answeree. And in this Answeree review, I will give you an inside look and explain exactly how it works, how much you can earn, if it really is worth it. So before we go over how to earn, then let's quickly go over what Answeree is. And it's a platform, a community they call it. You can join from more or less all countries, and you can ask questions there anonymously, as you can see, to get some answers, but you can also add answers and get paid via PayPal by doing this. So overall it sounds like a good idea, but how does it really work, and is it really worth it? Let me just log in and show you how it works and how you can get paid by answering these short questions. So I am now logged into Answeree, and it is fairly simple. You can see at the top, you can see ask a question if you want to ask a question, but you can also unanswer it if you want to answer a question, or just see the overall questions. And there are, you just scroll down, you can also see them and how many answers there are and when they last were answered. And you can see the type of questions that have been asked, and it's, whether you can answer them or not, that's of course, depends on what your interests are, but they're about all kind of topics. It's not super easy to get like an overview of the specific topics, but you just have to scroll through and then see if there are any that you can answer. But you of course do need to provide a proper answer to get a chance to actually earn. But this is how easy it is. You just need to click it, and then you can answer and then potentially get paid per answer you do. But let's then talk about how much can you get paid and what does it require? Is it really a fast way to earn? So let's start by going over what it takes to earn, because as mentioned, you cannot just write a random answer. It needs to be quite good answers. You see, you cannot have any grammatical or punctuation errors. So you can't, if you're not good at English, you can't earn here, because then you will not get your replies approved. You cannot duplicate content, mean you can't copy it, you can't copy paste, as you also say. Then if you take it from another source, from somewhere else on the internet, you will not get paid. You're not allowed to post any spam links or anything like that, or there's quite a lot of rules. So it's not just like, it can take a little bit of time to provide a proper answer. If you're a fast writer, you're good at English, it does not take long. You can maybe give a good reply for some questions if it's a topic you know about in a couple of minutes or so, but you cannot copy paste or all this. So you do need to be aware of this to find out if it's worth it for you or not. But let's then go over how much you can earn to find out if it's worth this effort. So they very clearly explain what you can get if your reply gets approved, and that's important to understand that it does need to get approved. Then one answer can give you 10 points. You can also comment on other posts or replies and get 5 points, but you do need to be aware that 10 points are worth 1 cent only. Yes, you can get lucky to get up to 500 points for top performing posts if they happen to rank well in Google, but don't really aim for that, because you have to be very, very lucky or very, very good to get there. That's not something you should really expect. But 10 points is 1 cent. So that means that if you do one reply, you will get 1 cent. So if it takes you a lot of time, you can figure out, is this worth it for 1 cent? Because that means that to earn $1, you would need to reply to 100 questions as a minimum if all of them do get approved. And that definitely will take quite a long time. So it's not a super fast way to earn $1. But when can you then get paid? Because if you can then get your earnings out fast, then of course you will also know then it is a fast way to earn. But let's talk about that next then. So the first time you want to get paid via Answeree, you get paid via PayPal. That's important to understand. That is what they offer. They can also offer to pay via Skrill, but the minimum for that is $10. So that will take a lot of patience and effort. But the first time, if you want to get paid via PayPal, you need to just earn $2. But still, that will be 200 answers as a minimum you need to do. And after that, it's then $5. So you might think if you just quickly look, just to answer quick questions, then I can get $5. It's not easy. That will require a lot of answers, and there are not really even that many posts that you can reply to. There are a lot, you can see below, there are of course a lot, so you can do that, but it's not that super easy as you might think. That is very important to understand, so you do it with the right expectations. Overall, if you do like commenting or answering questions, yes, Answeree can be a way to earn a bit of extra money, but you really do need to do it with the right expectations. It will not be a fast way to earn. It will require quite a lot of effort. If you do want to make money by doing small tasks, there are many ways to earn online that give better earnings. I have a list of my top recommended get paid to sites that are completely free, also where you can do small tasks that just pay a lot more. I will leave a link below there so you can check out that below this video. But yes, if Answeree, if you do love the participating in the community, then you can get paid a little bit extra at the same time, but it really will take a lot of effort. So whether it's worth it or not really depends on your expectations and how much time you have. But I hope this video helped you figure out if it is for you or not. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time. It's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.